Hi, welcome to my art channel. Thank you for joining me today. These are my colours. This one is TLP Athena. TLP is this little piggy. Pigments from Fluid Art Co. This is a Triart, it is Rose Gold. This is another Triart, this is Ultramarine Modern. And also Liquid Mirror mixed with it to give it some metallic sheen. This is Atelier Brilliant Magenta. This is Jo Sonja Aqua. My pillar paint today is Black Ace. It's British Paints, that's the actual name of the brand. It's not just a British paint, that's the name of it. And I'm using two cell activators today. Both of them are mixed colours. First one is a mix of Phthalo Turquoise and Blue Black, both by Atelier. Second one is Amsterdam Turquoise Blue and Amsterdam Turquoise Green, equal parts of all of them, mixed with Australian Floetrol, approximately 2 to 2.5 parts of the Floetrol to the 1 part of the paint. So let's get messy.
As a young girl, the fields were mine. We played hide and seek for hours, raised our shadows among the pines. So offshore, playful and free, without a care in the world. I was one rich little girl, daydreamer, kidnap me, take me back, all the way back to them days, running around in a gown and a crown, barefoot. No mistake ever kept me late. We spent summers catching fireflies and winters on our skates. One big smile across my face. We used to dance our way to church on Sundays. Mama set the pace. Daydreamer, kidnap me, take me back, all the way back to them days, running around in a gown and a crown, barefoot.
Thank you for watching. If you like it, please hit the like button, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider it, and then you'll know when I publish a new video. Everything I've used is listed in my description box below, along with a link to my paint mixing video. Direct link is in there, and my discount code to save you 15% off the Shelley Art e-course. So everybody take care, stay safe, see you all soon, bye.